What would you do if a spacesuit fell from the sky with nobody inside it? Not a mannequin, not a dummy. A fully pressurized, mission-grade spacesuit tumbling down through the atmosphere and landing in a field outside a small town in rural Montana. No spacecraft nearby, no debris trail, no explanation. This actually happened, and what investigators found when they opened it changed everything they thought they knew. The suit was recovered on a Tuesday morning in March. A farmer spotted it tangled in a fence line near his property. He assumed it was some kind of prank until he got closer and noticed the suit was still sealed. The oxygen supply was exhausted. The internal temperature logs showed someone had been inside it less than 14 hours earlier. So where did the body go? Here is where it gets strange. The suit showed zero signs of trauma, no tears, no burns from atmospheric entry, no structural compromise of any kind. That alone is almost impossible. When objects fall from orbital altitude, the heat alone should have melted the outer layers. This suit looked like it had been worn on a casual walk and then neatly folded into the sky. NASA initially denied the suit was theirs. Then they went silent. The Department of Defense issued a statement saying the event was under review. 2 weeks passed before any agency confirmed the suit had actually belonged to a contracted aerospace mission that was never officially announced to the public. Now think about what that means. There was a mission. Someone was wearing the suit. That someone is gone. And the most powerful space agencies on the planet are choosing very careful words about what happened next. Investigators focused heavily on the biometric data stored inside the suit's onboard system. Heart rate, movement patterns, body temperature. The logs showed completely normal readings until exactly 4 hours and 11 minutes before the suit landed. Then every reading simply stopped. Not a crash, not a spike, just silence, like someone had gently turned off a switch. The most unsettling part? The final GPS coordinate recorded inside the suit was not in Montana. It was 340 kilometers above the Pacific Ocean. There is no conventional explanation for how a sealed suit traveled that distance horizontally while also descending from low Earth orbit without burning up, without breaking apart, and without anyone tracking it on radar until it was already on the ground. Scientists who reviewed the case off the record used one word repeatedly: deliberate. The suit appeared to have been guided down, protected on the way in, placed rather than dropped. But by what, and why leave the suit at all? Some researchers have theorized the suit was meant to be found. A signal, a message wrapped in familiar human technology to make sure we would recognize it and pay attention. Others think something far simpler and far more disturbing. That whoever was inside simply no longer needed the suit. That wherever they went there without it. No body was ever recovered. The case remains officially open, and somewhere in a government archive, a spacesuit with exhausted oxygen and silent biometrics sits waiting for someone to ask the right question. What do you think happened?